Today I would like to introduce the chapter The Seed from your literature book written by Caroline Hand. Okay. Now dear children, I would like to introduce the main characters in this story. The characters are Emperor, Chun, Chun's mother and the crowd. Crowd means the group of the people of that kingdom. Okay. Now I would like to explain you this story. This story takes place in China. Okay. Long ago in China there was an emperor who was old. Okay. Who was old because it has been given in the story that his beard were white, and this was the description that he was old. He was old and he was in a search of successor. Okay, though he wanted to have new successor for his kingdom, he was in a search of successor. He didn't want to have successor from his family member. Okay, his family members also include his son, his grandson, though he was having his son, his grandson, but he didn't want to have those as his successor for the empire. Why? Because they had become lazy by the use of the power and the wealth which he was having. They were not courageous, they were not good enough to take the power, to take the responsibility of that particular kingdom. So he wanted to choose the successor apart from his family, from the general public of his kingdom. Now what did he did? He do that he announced that please gather all of the men. He announced that all of the men please gather, and I would like to give you some seeds which you will plant in a bowl or whatever you want to. Then what happened? Many of the people get accumulated in a particular area and they have taken the seed from the king. Now what did happen? That Chun, who had taken the seed, he planted that seed in a bowl. That bowl which was given by his mother was a blue and white porcelain bowl, and he planted the seed in that bowl. Now Chun, he was always waiting for that, why the plant is not growing, why the seed is not giving a new plant. But days passed and passed and passed. Again the king advised that yes, now it is a day when you have to show that what is happening to your seed. All the seeds which is given to the public, they were also, the public was in a race to show yes, we are so much following your words to the king. The king, when the day when they had to show the plant to the king, and from anywhere they have taken new plant, and they were in a hurry to show the king that yes, we have planted your seed and the seed grew. But Chun was not in a hurry. He was not in a hurry to show that the seed, he was not in a hurry that yes, the plant is not growing. And his mother had explained, dear boy, you just don't worry. If he had planted the seed, but the seed did grew into a plant, but his mother had advised him that dear boy, you don't worry. Okay, if the plant is not coming, you just sow. Whatever you have planted, you show to the emperor. He will understand that yes, you have done the correct thing. This is the honest seed. This is the honest virtue which his mother had implanted within the Chun. Apart from the public was in a hurry to show yes, sir, we have done this and we have done that, and they were all bringing the plants to show to the king. Then the day when they had to show the plant, everyone had gathered, and they have planted their bowl, their whatever they have bought. But Chun, he bought his bowl and showed to the king. Now I would like to go to the next paragraph. Okay, what it happened that all the person there in the kingdom, they were start transplanting their plant to the bigger bowl. Okay, since 1 year had already passed, and they just just exchanged their bowl in which they had planted, and they were transplanting their plant into bigger bowl. Now Chun was waiting for miracle because his seed didn't sprout. His seed didn't sprout. Even if he was watering to the seed, then also what did happen, that his seed didn't sprout. Chun was waiting for miracle. He was little bit impressed. Now seed didn't sprout. Okay, seed was not sprouting. He was every day he was watching his seed, but he was not seeing any of the changes. 1 year passed. It was a time to show the plant to the king. You know, the place where everyone had to present their plant was the temple, which was up in the mountain. Each and every person went there. They gathered and they kept the bowl where the pot where they had planted the seed, and they were gathered there. Chun was not having courage to go to king. Why? Because his seed didn't sprout. But his mother motivated him that even if your seed didn't sprout, then also you go. You are an honest boy. Whatever is the situation, you go there. You show up. Yes, I have taken the step to plant the seed. I have watered, I have shown the seed the sunlight, then also it had not sprouted. You will just simply explain this to king if he will ask anything. His mother motivated Chun. Okay, now what happened when the king was sitting in the throne, he was viewing to all the plant there, and he was saying that yes, many beautiful plants I have seen, but here I am seeing a different world. Then he viewed that pot which Chun had kept there, and it was not having any plant. He questioned, whose bowl is this? Chun answered. He was little bit embarrassed, he was little bit nervous, but then also he answered, yes sir, it is mine and my name is Chun. The king asked, okay, why this plant didn't sprout? He told that, sir, I have given my efficient effort in planting the seed, but it didn't sprout. Now I would like you to explain the last part. When the emperor asked that, yes, why your seed didn't sprout, then Chun replied, sir, I failed. He was embarrassed, he was nervous, though everyone were showing their plants, but Chun was not able to show his plant. Then he replied, I failed, sir. Emperor was, he was viewing him like in surprised manner. You didn't fail. Emperor replied, yes, you didn't fail because I passed out seeds which are boiled. Emperor was happy that Chun was speaking honestly. Emperor replied that, yes, I have passed the seeds which were boiled, and the boiled seeds can't sprout. Now he spoke to the crowd that, I have given the seeds which are boiled and they can't sprout, and the people or the crowd have substituted other seeds, and they were showing the plants which are the plants from different seeds, but they are fake. They are telling a lie. They have shown lie or a fake to the king. But Chun was a very much honest, and he was very much courageous to show the original thing to the king. He was very much brave enough to show that yes, he had planted that seed which was boiled, and that boiled seed can't sprout. So Chun's mother motivated him that, dear child, go and show this to king, that whatever you have done, you will be able to say that yes sir, I have done this, and you are very much honest. You should speak honestly to him, and this is his courageous. All the crowd are behaving like coward people always tell lie. They are always showing fake news to the next person. So the king was very much happy with Dachshund, and he replied, Dachshund, you are so much honest, you are so much courageous, you will be our next success, you will be taking the responsibility of the throne. I want a particular person who is very much brave, honest, courageous, and he will be only the taking responsibility of this throne. Now, dear children, I am in a view to tell you that the moral which we get from the story, the moral of this story is that everyone should be honest in nature, we should be courageous, we should always speak truth, which is the positive virtue to lead a successful life. It is the virtue which everyone should possess and practice. Everyone love the person who speaks truth, who follow the honesty. Everyone should have a good virtue like honesty, courageousness, and the speaking of truth should be followed, and everyone should motivate each other to speak truth in any of the condition. Okay, now I close the chapter. Now I am in a way to end the chapter. Have a nice day.